In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix the error code 0xC0F5214B. So, this error code has been quite common for a while now, and while there is no concrete fix to this error, there are many things you can do that may fix the error.
The first thing you can do is reinstall GeForce Now. Reinstalling ensures that you have the latest version of GeForce Now and helps to fix any bugs within the app. To properly reinstall, hold the Windows key plus R and type in appwiz.cpl, which I already have typed in. Click enter, and then you're going to scroll down until you see nvidia GeForce Now. Click on it and then click on uninstall/change. Click uninstall and click close. So from here you're going to go into your browser and then you're going to go to this website, which I will have linked down below, and you're going to click on whatever you have. So since I'm on Windows, I'm just going to click download on Windows. Once it actually downloads, just follow the installation prompts to install the app and see if it works.
Normally, this error code indicates something is wrong with your connection, so you can try to disable your firewall. Firewalls and antivirus software can sometimes block the GeForce Now app from connecting to GeForce Now servers, causing the error code. So, temporarily disable it and run a game to see if it works.
The next thing you can do is to try and run the game you're trying to run on the online version of GeForce Now. To go to the online version, just search up in your search bar play.geforcenow.com. Click enter. And then once you reach here, just click on X and then click on log in and then try to run your games to see if it works.
You can also reset your router to see if it does anything. As I mentioned before, this error code typically has to do with your connection, so resetting your router can possibly fix this issue. You should also reset your computer as well in the process.
You can also try to change servers to your next closest server. First, you want to make sure that your server is also not down, which you can check at status.geforcenow.com. So you can see that this server right over here is actually under maintenance. After checking, connect to your nearest server. So because I'm in Canada, the closest server to me would be US North. To change servers, simply go into GeForce Now, click on menu, then click on settings, then scroll down until you see server location, and then click any one of these servers. Once you've done that, go back to menu, go to games, and then click on any of the games you're trying to run. If that doesn't work, try every single server that's on there. If none of the steps work, you can contact nvidia support to see if they can help you or wait for this issue to be solved on the back end. You can go into GeForce Now and click on the send feedback button right over here and just write your issue here. If this is only happening to one specific game and none of the steps have helped, then you can only wait for nvidia to fix it. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.